Assalamualaikum and welcome to Nudra's Kitchen. Today we will be making Baba Ganoush. Baba Ganoush is a dish that's made with roasted eggplants. Simple and very easy dish to make. Put all of your ingredients in the food processor and blend it to make a smooth paste. You will need 1 roasted eggplant, 1/4 cup of tahini, 1 juice of lemon, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, and salt to taste. You can also add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. This is optional. Blend it for a few minutes and your yummy baba ganoush will be ready. Drizzle some olive oil, cilantro and samak to garnish it. There is just something pretty about garnishing the dish. Garnishing the dish can make the person change their mind about whether to eat the dish or not. Serve it with some pita chips or crackers. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to watch my other recipes that I have made. And also remember to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.